Yes. If f vector if f vector is equals to 3xy into I vector minus y square into j vector, evaluate integration over c f vector into dr vector, where c is the curve y is equals to 2x square in the xy plane from 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 2. From 1 comma 2 we have to do that line integration. Line integration means what? You have to make the two variables into the one line. You have to make,
How do you know that we're supposed to line integration here?
because here you see integration over c f vector into dr vector. This is the formula for the line.
But then it's work done, na?
Yeah, not work done. Work done is also same thing, but work done will have as an 3-4 lines will be there for that one. This as an line integration problem.
I might understand like the 3, 4 what exactly.
It will be as in a complete see one. It says in a like one rhombus is there, so you have to move all the lines and you have to add it, or you're going to have as in a triangle. That's completely you have to move and you have to add that one. That will give you the complete work done for that problem. This as a simple one. It's given what they have given. Two variables they have given. The variables as in a what? X and y. There is an as in a I direction and j direction is there. You have to make it into the one direction and you have to solve that integration. That as in a one time integration will be as in a line integration. That is just they have given as in a to evaluate integration over c f vector into dr vector. Just only this we have to solve. First we have to make that x and y into the one line we have to make. Did you got it?
Okay.
See, this is
Okay.
how you will draw our lines in the plane. This will be your y and this is your x, right? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
x and this is y. First you have to make them into the one line. Then only you can do that single integration. That is the line integration. Given, they have given f vector, given f vector is equals to 3xy into I vector minus y square into j vector. And what they have given here, one more point also they have given. You see, y square is equals to 3x square. So I can substitute that here where my k is equals to 0. That means z is equals to 0.
Can you explain the last part? The
Yes, Aditya.
Can you explain the last part where you
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't hear
Sorry for
that.
the disturbance, sir. My kids were making us a
No, no,
lot of
ma'am.
noise, sir. See here,
It's
they
fine,
have
ma'am.
given us a one point. They have given with the help of this one, we can make that equation into the one variable term. We can make it here. Z is equals to 0 because this k vector it's not given to us. So in that case, our z will be become as a 0. It is only in the plane of xy plane. We are having only x and y we are having. We are having x we are having and y we are having and z will be in this way. With this one they have not mentioned. So we can consider our z is equals to 0. Yes, did you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Because there's no Z cap.
Yes, there is a no k cap it's there. So z is equals to 0. All it is defined. Even you see the limits they have given 0 to 1, 0 to 2 they have given. Your x limit. This is your x limits. That is as a 0 to 1. And your y from 0 to 2 they have given. This is your x limit and this is your y limits. Right. And what about your r? R vector is equals to what? R vector is equals to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Then if you are going to differentiate, what you are going to get? Dr vector is equals to dx into I vector plus dy into j vector plus dz into k vector. And they have given the point, given y is equals to 2x square. We'll make this is equals to our equation number 1. Now substitute y value in equation number 1. What it will get? Change your f vector. F vector will reduce to 3x, where y value is equals to 2x square into I vector minus 2x square whole square into j vector. It's equals to 3 into 2. It's a 6. X into x square. X cube into I vector. Then this is equals to minus 4 x power 4 j vector. Yes. Aditya, till here it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see here. Here, when you're going to differentiate, what you're going to get from here? Dy, it's equals to 2 into 2 x into dx. Yes or no? Or otherwise,
Yes,
simple way.
ma'am.
Wait. Here, dy by dx, it's equals to 4x. Now, cross multiply this one, where we can write dy is equals to 4x into dx also we can write. We can replace dy value is equals to 4x into dx. This is your f vector. Now consider that first one. First you consider this part. This part you consider. Later we'll talk about that one. Now see that complete equation. Your x is got changed to the sorry, y is got changed to the x terms. Completely it's came into one line. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then f vector into dr vector, which is equals to, what is our f vector? 6x cube into I vector minus 4x power 4 into j vector, where your dr vector is equals to dx into I vector plus dy into j vector plus dz into k vector. I into I, j into j you have to do, which is equals to 6 x cube into dx minus 4x cube into dy, then plus 0 into dz, which is equals to 6x cube into dx minus 4x cube into dy. Now even dy we can change it into the dx because it's in one line completely in x. So dy
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can replace 4x into dx we can write, which is equals to 6x cube into dx minus 4x cube into, what I said, dy value is equals to 4x into dx. 4x into dx. which is equals to 6x cube into dx minus 4 into 4. It's this is power 4. This is power 4. Power 4. Power 4.
I got 5. Yes, ma'am.
It's got, yeah, I have written as in a wrong cube. I have written 4. And this is also power 4. So what you're going to get? 16 x power 5 into dx. That is the value of f vector into dr vector. Now consider your line integration. What they have asked you to evaluate. Consider integrating f vector into dr vector, which is equals to, what is our x limit they have given? X limits from 0 to 1.
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 1, 6x cube into dx minus 16x power 5 into dx, which is equals to 6x power 4 by 4 minus 16x power 6 by 6, limits from 0 to 1, where this is equals to 2 times and this is equals to 3 times. 2 2s are 2 3s are, and this is equals to uh, 3 time and this is equals to 8 time. 2 3s are 2, 8s are 16. It's equals to 3x power 4 by 2 minus 8x power 6 by 3, limits from 0 to 1. When I'm going to substitute the limits, lower term will become completely, it's equals to 0. So simply I'm going to get 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. What is your LCM of 2 and 3?
Ma'am, mine, 6.
2 and 3 LCM is equals to how much?
6, 6.
6. 2 and 3. It's equals to 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 and 1. Right? When you're going to make as an a one denominator, what you have to follow? Numerator by denominator into LCM, where this LCM is equals to 6. First term 3 by 2 into 6. 3 into 3, it's 9. Then minus 8 by 3 into 6, it's equals to 16. So 16 minus 9 is equals to how much?
Ma'am,
Yes,
minus
Aditya.
7 by 6.
It's equals to,
Ma'am, minus
yes,
7 by 6.
minus 7 by 6 is your line integration value. Integrating f vector into dr vector is equals to minus 7 by 6. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then